अभी आए सर, आ गया अभी। हाँ हाँ, जस्ट वेट फॉर 1 मिनट। नहीं, इधर इधर। जस्ट वेट। I'm audible, please. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry for that inconvenience. Okay, yesterday we have seen the three-phase off control converter fed separately exited DC motor. Clear? Okay, yesterday we have completed the three-phase off control converter. So also we have seen the waveforms. So today we are going to see the three-phase fully controlled converter fed separately exit DC motor. Okay, three-phase fully controlled converter fed separately excited DC motor. Okay, so is there any difference between this circuit and this circuit? Is there any difference between this circuit and this circuit? Please check it carefully. Any difference? What is the difference between the off control converter and fully controlled converter? Anyone? Anyone, please? Vaishnavi? 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 Revati? Revati? Shivani? Are you there in online? Shivani? Shubham?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell the difference between this circuit and this circuit? इस सर्किट में स्क्रीन पे सर्किट दिख रहा है क्या? स्क्रीन पे सर्किट दिख रहा है क्या शुभम?
हाँ सर।
तो इस सर्किट को देखो और इस सर्किट को देखो, क्या डिफरेंस है?
Half wave controller use prevailing diode and fully controller not use prevailing diode.
Who is telling? पूजा ना? Yes. Means whatever we have connected the diodes in the lower group of this three-phase circuit, okay, these diodes are replaced by the thyristors. Okay, these diodes are replaced by the thyristor. That is the only small difference. Is it clear, all of you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the diodes are connected in the lower group of three-phase semiconductor converter, okay, these diodes are replaced by thyristors. Okay, so the three-phase fully controlled converter, he is having 6 thyristors. Okay, he is having 6 thyristors.
सर
and it
आपकी
is-
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? आ रहे ना? क्लियर है क्या आवाज? My
Yes,
voice
sir.
is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, check your network, please. Okay, so all the it is having 6 thyristors. It is having 6 thyristors, and it is having 3 thyristors in upper group, and it is consisting of 3 thyristors in the lower group. Okay, it is having 2 groups. One is the upper group, and another one the lower group. Upper group is having the 3 thyristors T1, T3, T5, and lower group is having the 3 thyristor T4, T6, T2. Lower group is having the 3 thyristor T4, T6, T2. Okay. This is the simple construction of the three-phase fully controlled converter. And input supply is three-phase AC supply. Input is three-phase AC supply. Input is three-phase AC supply, and output we are getting. Clear? Output क्या है? AC or DC? What we are getting the output from the three-phase fully controlled converter? AC or DC? AC or DC?
AC.
Output. ये क्या है? DC है ना? Rectifier का output always DC है. So why we are getting the confusion? So input is AC and output is DC. This is the DC motor, na? Separately excited DC motor. Separately excited DC motor means DC motor. So DC motor के लिए क्या supply लगेगा? DC supply. So means this DC motor is connected to the converter, means the converter is producing the output is DC. Okay, the converter is converting the output is DC. It will convert from fixed AC into variable DC. Okay, this variable DC is given to the motor. This variable DC is given to the motor. When this voltage is vary, so the speed of this DC motor is also vary. Then the speed of this DC motor is also vary. So how we can vary this voltage? So we have to check the waveforms. Clear? So that is the main important point. You can see here, this is the three-phase supply. These are the phase voltages. This is the VA. This is the VB. This is the VC. Clear? VA, VB, VC. Lecture chalo. VA, VB, VC. Clear? These are the phase voltages, and again VA, and again VB, and so on, etc. Cycle is repeated. So this is the 30 degrees. This is the 30 degrees, and this is the 60 degrees. This is the 90 degrees. Okay, this is the 120 degrees. This is the 150 degrees. This is the 180 degrees. Okay, so this can be converted into the radians per second. pi by 6. Okay, the second line क्या है 2 pi by 6. थर्ड लाइन क्या है 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 6 कितना है? pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. 30 into 3, 90 means this is the 90 degrees. Clear? This is the 90 degrees. Like the same way you can write the all the intervals. So 4 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 6 pi by 6. 6 pi by 6 is the 180 degrees. Okay. 7 pi by 6, 8 pi by 6, 9 pi by 6, 10 pi by 6, and so on, etc. Like this you can write. Is it visible screen? Pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, 3 pi by
Yes, sir.
6. Is it visible, na? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So means like this way you can write. Like this way you can divide the equal intervals 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. That can be written in terms of radians per second. Pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, 3 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 6 pi by 6, 6 pi by 6 means pi, 7 pi by 6, 8 pi by 6, and so on, etc. Okay, you can write up to 2 full cycles. You can write up to 2 full cycles. Next, when the T1 is turned on, can anybody tell the answer? When the T1 is turned on? When the T1 is turned on, can anyone tell the answer, please?
Phase A.
T1 कब टर्न ऑन होता है? T1 कब टर्न ऑन होता है? Please tell me. Yesterday I have given the formula in three-phase concept. What is the rule for conducting the thyristors? When the T1 is turned on. Sangeeta?
Positive phase voltage.
Yes, please. Yes, right answer, please. Complete करो.
Maximum positive.
Okay, means the anode terminal of this T1 is connected to the phase A. So when phase A voltage is more positive, then it will come to the forward bias condition. And if we will give the firing angle, then it will be turn on. Is it right? This is the formula. This is the basic condition. So when the phase A voltage is more positive, when the phase A voltage is more positive, when the phase A voltage is more positive, you can see this one waveform VA. इस पॉइंट पे मोर पॉजिटिव रहते ना, more positive means this phase A voltage is more than the magnitude of this phase A voltage is more than the other two phases. So from this point, from this cross section, the phase A voltage goes to more positive than the other two phases. So from that, at this point, the T1 comes into the forward bias condition. At this point, the T1 comes into the forward bias condition. Okay, but it is not in comes into the forward conducting mode. Forward conducting mode में नहीं है, only forward bias condition में है. So इसको conduction करना तो क्या करना, firing angle apply करना. Okay, उसको turn on करना तो we have to apply the some amount of voltage to the gate circuit, that is called as firing angle. Clear? So T1 is turn on. T1 is turn on at omega t is equal to pi by 6 plus alpha ना. pi by 6 plus alpha लिख सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so pi by 6 means 30. 30 plus, for example, alpha is equal to, if we are going to draw the output waveform, alpha is equal to 60 degrees. If we are going to draw the alpha is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees को draw करना है, 0 degrees को draw करना है. 0 डिग्रीज को ड्रा करेंगे क्या या 60 डिग्रीज को ड्रा करना है? So let we will see the 0 degrees first, then we will take the 60 degrees. Is it okay all of you? 0 डिग्रीज ड्रा करके उसके बाद 60 डिग्रीज को ड्रा करेंगे क्या? ड्रा करूंगा 0 डिग्रीज को? Please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the firing angle 0 degrees. Okay, so we are going to draw the output voltage waveform for three-phase fully controlled converter for alpha is equal to 0 degrees. So here T1 is turn on, T1 is turn on, pi by 6 plus 0. Pi by plus 0 means pi by 6 here, na? Okay, pi by 6 means 30 degrees. This is the 30 degrees. Okay, from this point the T1 is turn on. From this point the T1 is turn on. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, when the T2 is turn on, now can you tell, because this is the last topic in three-phase concept, converters. So after that, these converters will not be repeated. Next सेम में भी नहीं आएगा. अभी कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लो. कभी थायरिस्टर टर्न ऑन होता है, कभी थायरिस्टर टर्न ऑफ होता है इन थ्री-फेज कॉन्सेप्ट में. ओके, पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में भी आप लोग स्टडी किया है. ऑलरेडी यू हैव स्टडीड इन द पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स and again you are studying in this drives also. Clear? So that's why whatever you have doubts you can clear in this, otherwise next you will not get the opportunity. This is the last topic in the converters. Next we are going to start the choppers. Okay, when the T2 is turn on, sorry, we will check the upper group only. T1 check किया आपने, now T3, now T3. T3 कब टर्न ऑन होगा? T3 कब टर्न ऑन होगा? When the T3 is turn on. T3 is connected to which phase? T3 is connected to which phase?
B phase.
B phase, na? T3, B phase. Okay. So when the phase B voltage is more positive plus firing angle. Phase B voltage more positive firing angle. Phase B voltage more positive किधर है? Phase B voltage more positive. This point na? This is na?
Yes, sir.
5 by 6, 2 pi by 6, 3 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6. T3 will turn on at omega t is equal to 5 pi by 6 plus alpha. 5 pi by 6 plus alpha. Alpha is nothing but 0. So means T3 will turn on at omega t is equal to 5 pi by 6. At omega t is equal to 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 कहाँ पे? Exit this point. So from this place, the T3 is going to be turn on. Clear? So T3 के बाद, now we have checked the conducting sequence of the T1 and conducting sequence of the T3. Next, which device we have to see? T5. Which device we have to see? T5, because only upper group devices conducting sequence we are going to check. So T5 कब turn on होता है? T5 कब turn on होता है? T5 कब turn on होता है, please? When the T5 is turn on, T5 is connected to which phase?
C phase.
C phase. So means when the C phase is more positive than the other two phases. Okay, when the C phase is more positive than the other two phases, then the T5 will be conducts. Then the T5 will be conducts. This point is the C phase is more positive. C phase voltage is more positive than the other two phases. So T5 will conducts at omega t is equal to This is which line? This is which line? Pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, 3 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 6 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, 8 pi by 6, 9 pi by 6. 9 pi by 6 है ना ये वाला? This line is the 9 pi by 6.
Yes, sir.
9 pi by 6 plus alpha. Okay, here alpha is equal to 0. So T5 will turn on at omega t is equal to 9 pi by 6. T5 will turn on at omega t is equal to 9 pi by 6. Means from this place the T5 is going to turn on. Okay. So T5 के बाद again फिर T1. Again T1 because फिर cycle is repeated. T5 के बाद फिर again T1. So again T1 is when the T1 starts. Again when the phase A voltage is more positive. So again the T1 will be starts. Okay, when the phase B voltage is more positive, again T3 will start. T3 will start. So cycle is repeated here also. Here. So here, this is which line? Red color VC means here the T5 will turn on. Cycle repeat होता है. Okay. T5 अगर T1 आए ना तो T5 के बाद again T1 like this. T1, T3, T5. So T1, T3, T5 like this. This is the positive conducting sequence. Sorry, positive group thyristors conducting sequence. Positive group thyristors conducting sequence. So now can we see the lower group thyristors? This is the positive group. Positive groups means what are the thyristors in positive groups? Positive group में कौन सा thyristor से connected है? T1, T3, T5 ना? Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next negative group thyristors. This second row is for this for checking the conducting sequence of negative group thyristors. Negative group thyristors. What are the negative group thyristors?
T4, T6, T2.
Yes, exactly. T4, T6, T2. So here the T4 is connected to the A phase. Yes or no? The T4 is connected to the A phase. Yes or no, please?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So, but which terminal is connected? Cathode or anode? Which terminal is connected? Cathode or anode? Cathode.
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 So now what is the condition for turning on this thyristor? Exactly opposite for the upper group. Means when the phase A voltage is more positive, the T1 is turned on. But here when phase A voltage is more negative, then the T4 can be turned on. T4 can be turned on. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when phase A voltage more negative, कहाँ पर है?
Seven pi by 6.
Just wait 1 minute. All of you there? Okay. When the T4 is conducts, when phase A voltage is more negative than the other two phases. When the phase A voltage is more negative,
7 pi by 6.
this point, this is the 7 pi by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exactly. Right answer. T4 will conduct 7 pi by 6 plus alpha है ना, because it is a thyristor. It is a thyristor, no, it is not a diode. So we have to give the firing angle 7 pi by 6 plus alpha. But here alpha is equal to, we have taken the 0. but here alpha is equal to, we have taken 0. Clear? So means T4 is turned on at 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. This one. 7 pi by, sorry, which one? T4. Now can you tell the, like the same way T6? Can you tell the T6? T6 is connected which phase?
B phase.
B phase. So what is the condition? When the phase B voltage is more negative, when the phase B voltage is more negative, then the T6 will be turned on. Phase B voltage more negative कब रहता है? What is this line? What is the number of this line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 है ना? T6 will turn on at omega
11
t is
pi by
equal to
6.
11 pi by 6. Just wait. ये फाइल है. एक मिनट. इसमें ना सर इसमें देखो निकालो मत सेट किया पूरे. Just wait. Yes, sorry please. कहाँ पे था कौन? T6 will turn on at 11 pi by 6 ना?
Yes.
This is the 11 pi by 6. Which device? T6. So next remaining device is T2. T2, when the T2 is turned on, T2 is connected to the phase C. The cathode terminal of this T2 is connected to the phase C, means when the phase C voltage is more negative than the other two phases, then the T2 will be turned on. So when the phase C voltage is more negative, this point, this is the point. What is the number of this line? ये line क्या है? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pi by 6. Is it right? T2. Clear? 4, 6, 2. Again. So up to this point. Okay. Second cycle is repeated. 4, 6, 2. Next 4.
डीसी मोटर अरेंजमेंट.
मोटर नीचे है ना? नीचे है ना मोटर लैब में, मशीन लैब में.
हाँ नीचे है क्या?
हाँ एक मिनट इधर चालू है.
ठीक.
Okay. So next 4, 6, 2. T4, T6, T2. So from this place, from this point to this point, कौन सा वोल्टेज फेज सी वोल्टेज मोर नेगेटिव, फेज सी वोल्टेज मोर नेगेटिव मीन्स T2, T2 मीन्स इसके पहले क्या होगा 6 होगा, इसके पहले क्या हो चालू होगा 6, क्लियर। ओके 4 6 2, next cycle repeated 4 6 2 like this same way. Now we have checked the conducting sequence of the all thyristors. Now we have checked the conducting sequence of the all thyristors. Now can we draw the output voltage waveform? Can we draw the output voltage waveform? ड्रा कर सकते हैं क्या अपन?
Yes, sir.
V0. Okay, this is the 0. Okay, 0. So take from this point, from this line. Okay, just I will draw the with green color. Okay, so T1 is turned on during this period. Okay, T1 is turned on during this period, and T1 is turned on from the upper group, and T6 is turned on from the lower group. एक अपर ग्रुप से टर्न ऑन है, एक लोअर ग्रुप से टर्न ऑन है. सो करंट कैसे फ्लो होता है? T1 and T6 टर्न ऑन, T1 टर्न ऑन है, T6 टर्न ऑन है, करंट कैसे फ्लो होगा? Can you tell anyone how the current is flowing? How the current is flowing? T1 and T6 is turn on.
VA T1
Yes.
load T6
Yes. लोड
VB
लोड के T6 के बाद VB है ना?
yes
ओके VA T1 VA T1 लोड के बाद T6 के बाद VB means current will be entry through the A phase and current will be exit through the B phase. Means what we can say, the line voltage is appear across the load VAB. The line voltage is appear across the load. Load means here motor terminal का across कौन सा line voltage present रहता है? VAB. Clear? So how we can draw the waveform? The line voltage is looking like this up to this point. Clear? Next, from this point to this point, इस ड्यूरेशन में कौन सा थायरिस्टर टर्न ऑन है? इस ड्यूरेशन में which thyristors are turn on in this duration?
T1 and
T1 still in turn on condition and T6 turn off, and another thyristor is turn on, that is the T2. So how the current is flowing? Check the path for flowing the current. How the current is flowing now?
VA
VB
Yes, VA
load T2 VC
T2 VC. Is it clear? Now the current is exiting through the C phase and current is exiting through the A phase. So it means VA T1 next to load के बाद T2 next
VC.
VC. So which voltage is appeared across the load terminals? That is the armature terminals of the motor. V A
AC.
C. Clear? So VAC line voltage is appeared across the load terminals. Okay, here we apply the phase voltages VA, VB, VCN, but here we got the line voltage VAC. Okay, please remember that point. Okay, so the line voltage is present like this. Okay, next, like the same way, this is the VAB and this is the VAC. Okay, next, what is the path for flowing the current during this period? Which thyristors are turned on? T3 is turned on from the upper group and T2 is turned on from the lower group. Is it right or not?
Yes,
3
sir.
out 2 present hai na? 3 out 2 turn on hai. So how the current is flowing? Same procedure. Same procedure. कौन सा thyristor turn on है? T3 and T2 ना? T3 कहाँ पे? कौन सा phase में T3?
B phase.
B phase means the
VB.
SVB
T3 load. T2 VC.
load T2 load, like this. Mean the current is flowing through the B phase, entering through the B phase, sorry, exiting through the C phase, exiting through the C phase. Clear? So means which voltage is appeared across this load?
VBC.
VBC. Exactly. Clear? So which voltage is appear across the load? VBC. ये रो खाली है, मैंने ऐसे ड्रा किया है वाला. Please don't get confusion. So the voltage waveform we are getting like this. But why we are drawing the waveform like this? ऐसे क्यों ड्रा करते अपन? Because this is the wave shape of the line voltages VAB, VAC, like that. I will show you the one graph here. So जो line voltages है, okay, RY means VAB. So ये line voltages जो shape रहता है, वो shape इधर ड्रा करना पड़ता है अपन को. Clear? So वो line voltage के wave shape है. So simply you can draw like this. You will get more confusion if I will draw the line voltages. So this is which one? VBC. So like the same way you can draw the waveform. Is it right or not? Draw कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Like this. Okay, like this. Okay, these are the output voltage waveforms. So the current waveform is like this. We are getting. The current waveform is continuous because the current waveform we can draw like this. Like this. Okay, so because one thyristor is turned on and one thyristor is turned off and immediately another thyristor is turned on. So that's why the current is continuously flowing through the load circuit. The current is continuously flowing through the load circuit. So that's why what we can say here, output current we can draw like this. Also we can assume this output current is constant. Also we can assume output current is constant because here the inductance is present. Here the inductance is present. So due to the presence of inductance in the load circuit, it will make load current is continuous. It will make load current is continuous. So you can draw the load current continuous also. You can draw the load current continue also. Clear? So how we can draw the output voltage waveform derivation? Sorry, how we can derive the output voltage derivation? Voltage equation कैसे derive कर सकते हैं अपन? Voltage equation कैसे derive कर सकते हैं? कैसे derive कर सकते हैं? Please, can anyone tell? For example, if you want to derive this output voltage equation, V0 is equal to, what is the formula? V0 is equal to number of pulses present in the output voltage waveform in one full cycle of the supply voltage. एक full cycle supply voltage में 0 से लेकर half cycle and remaining half cycle यहाँ तक. Clear? 0 से लेकर इस पॉइंट तक कितने पल्सेस प्रेजेंट है आउटपुट वोल्टेज वेवफॉर्म में? कितने पल्सेस प्रेजेंट है देखिए एक बार. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 6 pulses means either half है, remaining half इधर present है. So total कितने pulses present है? 6 pulses means 6 by 2 pi. Okay, here 2 pi क्यों लिखा अपन? The time is taken to complete the one full cycle. Okay, so integral कहाँ से कहाँ तक present output voltage waveform? कहाँ से कहाँ तक present output voltage waveform? This point to this point you can take. Okay, the output voltage waveform is present from this point to this point, this point to this point, like this. But whatever the voltage is present during this period, same amount of voltage present during this period also, same amount of voltage present in during this period also, and the same amount of voltage is present during this period also. So you can consider any one pulse limit. कोई भी एक pulse का limit ले सकते हैं अपन. So for example, if you take this pulse, okay, ये कौन सा है? pi by 6 ना? pi by 6 ना ये वाला? This is the pi by 6 line. pi by 6. So ये line कौन सा है?
3 pi by 6.
3 pi by 6 means we have to write in terms of alphas. 2 pi by 6 plus alpha लिख सकते हैं अपन. Alpha is equal 0 है ना? 3 pi by 6 plus alpha. Because we have to get the firing angle equation. Okay, 3 pi by 6 plus alpha, 3 pi by 6 plus 0, so the same value. So here also we can write pi by 6 plus alpha. Okay, so the limits we can take pi by 6 plus alpha to 3 pi by 6 plus alpha. So we are integrating with which voltage? VAB. We are integrating VAB into d omega t into d omega t. Here we cannot write the Vm sin omega t. Please remember, this is the three-phase concept. Why we cannot write the Vm sin omega t? Why we cannot write the Vm sin omega t? Vm sin omega t the phase voltage, but here the line voltage is present. Is it right or not? Yes or no?
Sir.
VAB means line voltages. So how we can write? So we know the formula basic equations. VAN is equal to Vm sin omega t. Vm sin omega t. Next VBN is equal to Vm sin omega t minus 120 है ना. फेज डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना between two phases in the three phase 120 degrees. So VAN is equal to phase A voltage is equal to Vm sin omega t. Phase B voltage is equal to Vm sin omega t minus 120 degrees. Okay, like the same way VCN is equal to Vm sin, क्या लिख सकते हैं अपन? Vm sin VCN is equal to, how we can write? VBN is equal to Vm sin omega t minus 120. VCN is equal to Vm sin of omega t minus
240.
These are the basic equation ना. Clear? So now if you, यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए अपन को? VAB चाहिए. So what is the formula VAB? We know the formula VAB is equal to VAN minus VBN. VAN minus VBN. Is it right? Line voltage VAB is equal to phase A voltage minus phase B voltage. अगर VCN लिखने का आपको, sorry, VCA लिखना है, okay, voltage between the C phase and A phase, how we can write? VCA is equal to VCN minus VAN. So ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ना अपन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we know the formula VAN. VAN is nothing but Vm sin omega t. Vm sin omega t minus VBN is nothing but
Vm sin omega t minus 120.
Vm sin omega t minus 120 degrees. Okay, this is the VAB. So यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करने के बाद ये फॉर्मूला, तो जो फाइनल आएगा वो इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का VAB की जगह. Then we have to integrate. So can we derive this equation tomorrow?
Okay, sir.
Okay.